Okay, hey guys, I'm doing a voiceover right now. I've never done a voiceover, so I don't even know how this is gonna go. But, so basically, I was trying to do an intro for, the camping vlog, because, well, I guess I should do this in the intro. So, boom, welcome back to my vlog. We are doing a week-long camping trip, in the Laurel Highlands campground, and this was on the way there. I was trying to vlog it, but I connected to CarPlay and I didn't disconnect it. So that means that it picked up no sound. And there's like 7 minutes of video, but obviously there's Noah, by the way. And Megan's gonna pop up soon, I think. Unless she already did. I wasn't looking at the screen actually when I did this. But I'm in my car right now doing this so that no one can hear and so that you guys can't hear anyone else. But basically, back to the video. We're on our way. I showed that we were in Dover at that point. There's Megan. And here, oh my gosh, the first one's already ending. I don't even know what I was talking about in this, but I put in 3 times speed, so you don't have to watch. Okay, we're back again. A second video. We started this one because we thought that we were going to be crossing the border soon, but then it took like a while. And I'm counting for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what that was. I actually have no clue what's anything is happening in these videos. I know I started singing at one point. Boom, I got Celsius because it was too early in the morning. I was going to fall asleep. And then I remember I was talking about how Celsius is, like, disgusting and, like, really bad for you. So, I don't, what? Oh, cool rocks. Okay, that's so cool. I literally don't know what I was talking about for any of this. Am I going to start singing here? I think, oh, okay, there's a cool view in the background. Everyone look at that and not me talking for a while. She zoomed in. Don't know why she zoomed in. But she's back out. Okay. And I'm laughing. Something's funny. I promise it was funny. Okay, I got a new video because I actually don't know. I don't know what this one is either. Oh, wait, never mind. It just cut out. It's back again. This is us crossing the border, I think. Yes. We're about to cross the border. There's a cool bridge coming up. I'm not going to put this one in, boom, West Virginia. I remember I was singing Take Me Home Country Roads, as one does. But I'm not going to put this one in 3 times speed because you have to enjoy the views as we cross over this river. I don't know what river this is. I'll look it up as I continue talking. But, okay, that looks so cool. Wow. That's probably what I said at that point. Is it the Ohio River? No one laugh if I... Okay, now we're gonna go through a tunnel, and this is where it gets crazy, because we went over a bridge, and now we're going under a tunnel. Wow, take that in. Take in the moment. This is, wow, so beautiful. And then, boom, we're going to be out of the tunnel, and you're going to see the greatest sight to see ever. Just give it a moment. The light at the end of the tunnel is coming nearer. It's a very long tunnel. It was not this long on the way back. I actually forgot. Okay, we're almost there. Ready? Boom, more highway. Wow. How cool is that? Okay, this was, oh, that's Pennsylvania. And then this was, it glitched. And, okay, that's it. Bye. Wait, bring it here, Noah. Because that might be what the kinds I've been getting.
Okay, well, if I get a pick.
Oh, wait, those are the kinds I always get.
Those are tiny.
Yeah, that's what the past, like, 3 ones that I've gotten.
I didn't see that.
Because I've had to use a magnifying glass to, like, see.
Squash it, you just flipped it away, Noah.
Okay.
Well, it's going to get somebody else now.
If there's a tiny one. What?
Zach, I'm still going. You can still play.
Why are you recording it?
For my vlog.
Why?
And Grandma Roars have a big set.
Say something.
But theirs came with little pins that you could put in all of these holes so it would hold this down better. This thing just came with this little sticky tack crap.
Do you guys want to say something to my vlog?
Firecrapping.
All right.
Yes, Nate.
Yeah, I get like an action shot. Let me get. This is like a hard one though, so don't judge me. See, look how hard this.
I'm gonna do that.
Yikes! Did it sound cool?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me do like a good one.
Dude, I can't get back wheel on
Rock me, mama, like a wave.
And the chicken fried.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. I want to hear that too.
Colby.
Oh, that sounds cute.
Love that. Doesn't it
Blue
sound
jeans
relaxing?
that fit just
That just
right.
Oh.
That just fit right.
And then something.
And the radio's on. Or something like that. Oh, neat.
Little bit chicken
Got a
fried.
little
Yeah.
messed up. But
Cold beer on a
It's hard to
Friday
keep
night.
it
Yeah.
going.
Blue
And I
jeans
notice
that fit.
sometimes
Uncle Matt, do you want to say something to my vlog?
Pushing harder than
Do you want to
what
say
I
something
Yeah.
to my
need to.
vlog?
I don't feel inspired right at the moment, but I will at some point.
Okay, just let me know. Okay, say bye.
I do
That
like
makes
Goodbye.
pins.
We're coming up to. Oh my gosh, this looks majestic. That's an activity center, or so it says. It's a little grown over. Nate, go in there. Well, then look inside. Take a peek. Smell cold.
Oh, I don't know what it says. Put it in more. There's a sign.
What to say? We'll find out later. Ooh, it's boarded up. Say something for the documentary when I get murdered.
Scary.
There's a fire hydrant. It looks like a shower house. Yo! Do you see what I've seen? No, I'm not actually. I thought I saw water. Okay, enough. I'm telling your mother. You need to leave. Go home. Wait, this looks kind of epic. I'm vibing. Ouch. Multi-floor rows. Hi. I'm vlogging. Cause.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true. But hi.
We're in the back seat. Get in, Zach.
Because you suck at taking pictures.
Oh yeah, there's where it starts one way.
Zach, get in.
There we go. Okay.
I think so.
I was gonna take pictures of us around the campfire. I forgot.
What do you have to say about this fire here?
It's lit.
Zach, you look good with your hair down, as people have told me. I've been told.
Yep.
Noah.
Hi.
Mom.
What?
Megan.
Hello.
Aunt Robin.
Howdy.
Non-existent.
I sent an email to the lady that does my schedule. I said, just to remind you, I'm on vacation and probably very little to no
Orange
service,
Fanta.
so
Welcome back again. This is the first night still. I'm gonna give a bathroom tour and get ready for bed, but showers, we got 3 showers. Quality. We got nice sinks. Yes. Handicaps, of course. Bathrooms. Suck. This one's out of toilet paper, I think. Unless oh, it's back. Yeah, it's back. But I'm just gonna check this curtains on. I'm already discussing just being outside, but on me to get ready for bed. I should have but that might work. Okay. I'm gonna take off my jewelry. I don't know where to put it. Putting it there for now. I have too much. But I don't have enough. Because all my bracelets start breaking from the trip, and it's so sad. Because they are cheap, but I'm gonna get more on the trip. But I'm giving myself like a $15 spending limit. Because I am still without a job. Okay, I gotta put my hair in a bonnet. Oh, it's still tight. I think it is. Yeah. I just washed my hair last night, so and it definitely already smells like smoke, and it's disgusting, but I kind of put it up today. I put it back for a little while, but I didn't fully want to because I just washed it. I wanted to last me a good bit. But the bonnet's on. This is the first time the vlog, or like most people have seen me with this, so enjoy it. I look like an egg, so, but I'm gonna all of my jewelry. Holy echo. I need to. That's where I was looking for my medicine this morning. My nice mint tin of pills. Very convenient. I don't know what to do with my jewelry. Should I just throw it all in there? I'm gonna regret that. Because I have like this. Here, I'm just gonna put it in this. Someone might be coming. There's like no one else in our camping section right now because we come on Sundays so that no one else is here. But it always shocks me when no one else is here, right? But, okay. I'm gonna brush my teeth. So I think this will be it for the night. This is only day 1. So, but I'm probably gonna not vlog as much the rest of the week because we're not hiking tomorrow. It's hot. I like hiking, but it's too hot. So I'll update maybe.
Say something motivational real quick.
Be motivated. I'm too tired.
We're at a creek.
Because then you have these soggy water shoes and you have to
And we just went on a, oh, I danced on my thing, 1.2 miles. Took us an hour to go 1.2 miles.
Is that a water truck? Bro, I almost hit 4 of them.
Hey y'all, it's the end of night, or it's night 2. I took a shower like before dinner and somehow I look even more gross than before. My hair is disgusting. My clothes feel gross even though this is a new sweatshirt. I'm really tired, but also not tired at all. woken up by Zach, by him trampling over my tent, and then saying he was a bear. And I was dreaming about a bear, so I did believe it for a little bit before I woke up. But, so I woke up, we went on a 5-mile hike, and it was super hot. And then I proceeded to not eat lunch because I was too sick to eat because it was super hot out. And then we went on yet another hike, and then came back, and I tried to take a nap, but I couldn't because it was too hot. And then, and I was just like super grumpy because I hadn't eaten all day. And so then I took a shower, and it was pissing me off because there was a bunch of people in here when I was trying to shower. And then we ate pudgy pies for dinner, which was nice. I didn't vlog any of that because I forgot, but we ate pudgy pies and then had s'mores. So it wasn't bad, but and then we were sitting by the fire for a while, and everyone slowly went to bed. And I was like, I'm just bored sitting here, so here's me getting ready for bed. You can't see it, but I did a nice gray shorts on. Nice gray shorts. My sandals are now broken completely, basically. Our tank top was ripping. It was like all ripped. And then my hoodie I just put on. So, have fun. My hair, you can see, is disgusting. Yay. Also, what is on my face? I did just put the fire out, so it could be ash, but I got my first poison ivy rash of the trip. I haven't had a tick. I flooded the sink, brushing my teeth. I haven't had a tick yet, so that's always decent. But I thought I did, but I guess it wasn't. And also, out into the darkness I go. I'm gonna turn this off so I can use my flashlight. Oh my god.
Is that?
Why did the truck?
Quick, say something quick. Caverns.
That's what I think.
Whoa.
Crazy. That's cool.
It's still going. Okay. We're back home, if you can't tell. I forgot to vlog the entire last day. Okay. No need for that. Say something.
Something.
Oh my gosh. So we're back home now. We got Wendy's for lunch. And we drove 3.5 hours. It took 4 hours because we stayed for lunch. And then we got home. Everyone took showers. We unpacked. I checked for ticks and there were none. Except I had one yesterday. But it was between my toes, which was unfortunate. How many did you have?
6?
Yeah.
In me, none. 2 on me total.
Okay, I had 1 in me. And I'm gonna edit this now. My iPad is charged. I cracked my iPad screen. Did you hear
I
about
know.
that? It's actually in one of the
I'm
vlogs.
telling the school.
Go right ahead. One iPad. And anything else you'd like to say? How did you like the trip?
Oh, it was pretty good.
It went by really fast.
Mm.
It was weird. Okay, anything else?
Nope.